everybody, it's me Ash and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and want to see more crafty related videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and choose your preference on how you'd like YouTube to notify you of my video. What are you doing? Get down! She has been a handful tonight. I think she's going stir crazy. Yes, hi. How are you? She's saying hi. Say hi to everybody. There you go. You're the mommy's girl. Anywho. Sorry for the cute pup interruption of the video. Today, I am going to show you a project share. This is the first time I've ever done it. I gotta get back into focus so that this light doesn't keep going crazy. Maybe not. I don't know. Anyhow, so this is the first time I've ever done anything like this. I do paintings here and there. I'm working with some mixed media here and there, and I came across paint pouring. Now, it's something I've always wanted to try, but never fulfilled that trying. Yeah. And when I was at Tuesday morning, as you guys have seen in my haul, I came across paint pouring kits, so I decided to give it a try. Now, it's not perfect, but I think it turned out pretty. I know where my mistakes were made, and I can't wait to try it again. So here is the piece that I did. If you look really closely, there's lots of iridescent shine on it, and that is because I used this Prism varnish right here on it. It's kind of textured wise right here because I used the glitter mix. I mixed it with glue and added a little bit of water and made it a little runny and kind of like poured it while the canvas was wet, so it kind of blended in with the stuff to give it some texture. That was probably not the best idea. I think next time I'll wait for it to dry and then I'll use a brush to apply the glue and then sprinkle the glitter over top. And then another issue that I had, I don't know if this is something that's common with paint pouring, but I did have it on cups, so it was up and it would drip off to dry. So as you can see, there's stuff there from the cup that had the varnish on it, but on the back here it is like drips. I don't think it would affect your wall in any way. I could easily probably cut it off. I don't know. I like it. I love it. I also didn't have enough paint in my cups, so some of the areas, like that tiny piece right there, didn't get covered. This part did not get covered, but the varnish did, so it still has like an iridescent glow to it, same as like right here. I don't know. I know there's improvement that needs to be done, but I still think it's absolutely beautiful, and you could easily dress it up and cover up those spots with like vine, you know, dangle vine over top of it, because if you hang it this way, this part down bottom is completely covered, and the sides, it's just these two up top, these sides. So, but that is it. This is what I wanted to show you guys. I will probably still auction this off at my next sale. So yeah, and it would also be a really good base layer if you wanted to try some mixed media as well. That'd be really pretty as like a mermaid one. Ideas, people, ideas. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any tips and tricks to paint pouring, go ahead and leave me a message in the comment section below. I love hearing back from you guys and, you know, helping me become a better crafter and telling me like tricks and tips to certain things, especially when I'm new at it. So yeah, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. If you didn't, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. Either way, it really doesn't matter. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.